So the first step of our acrylic mixing chart is to make a 12 by 12 half-inch grid. And we want to do this because we're going to be able to mix our colors inside of it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to measure along the side of my paper. And I don't want to start all the way at the edge. It'll be a little bit easier for me that way. So I'm just going to kind of try to eyeball it. So we've got 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go there and make a vertical line down the side as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. So I'm just going to line that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just double checking to make sure I have 12. So now I'm going to come across the top, do the same thing. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line to start off with. And same thing, so I've got my first one, obviously, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then same thing, I'm just going to come down the side. And I'm going to make sure I have my lines over here as well, just so that way I can make sure I have 2 points when I'm drawing these up. And if I've made my lines crooked, I will be, like if they're not perfectly straight, they should be perfectly straight, but so using your ruler, just line up the 2 points and just connect them across while you work your way down. Makes it a little bit easier. So we're doing 12 by 12 because if you have acrylics that I gave you, you will have 12 colors and this will help you out. If you are working with your own, you will, I'm going to give you a list of colors that it will be good if you have. You can test those out. If you only have the primaries black and white, then you would only have 5. But most of us tend to typically have a couple more colors other than that, so okay, interesting. My lines are not going to be totally a ½ inch, but that's okay. 1. Okay. So now I'm going to connect them vertically. So same thing. And there you go. You have your grid ready to go.